Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. When we divide 25 divided by 7, 25 divided by 7, so it will be cancelled by 3 times. 7 3s are 21, remainder will be equal to 4. 25 can be written as 7 into 3 plus 4. So at 25 will be equal to dividend, 7 will be equal to divisor, 3 will be equal to quotient, 4 will be equal to remainder. Okay. On dividing a number by 5, we get 3 as remainder. What will be the remainder when the square of this number is divided by 5? So on dividing by number by 5. So we don't know the number. When we divide it by 5, we are getting remainder will be equal to 3. So what will be the remainder when the square of this number square divided by 5, what will be the remainder? In the sense, we don't know the number. First, we need to find out the number. Then after, we need to find out. So just look at here. So we are taking some basic example. When we divide some number by 4, the remainder will be 1. And the same number divided by 2, what will be the remainder? What will be the remainder? Number is initially number is divided by 4, remainder is 1, and the same number divided by 2, remainder will be what? So number will be equal to a number divided by 4. How many times it is divided? We don't know. So I am taking only one time. So that will be equal to 4 ones of 4 plus remainder will be equal to 1. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 4 ones of 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Number will be equal to 5. And the number is divided by 2. And the number is divided by 2. 5 by 2 will be equal to, what is the remainder? 2 2s are 4, remainder will be equal to 1. In this way, we need to find out general. But don't go with this method. Why? Because just look at here. Whatever the number we are dividing by 4, what are the multiples of 4? 4 multiples will be equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So number is divided by 4, remainder we are getting 4, remainder is 1, and the same number divided by 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 20. In the sense, whatever the multiples of 4, we are getting same multiples in 2 table also. In 4 table we are getting 4, in 2 table also we are getting 4. 8 we are getting, here also 8 getting, 12 we are getting, 12 also we are getting, 20, 20. In the sense, whatever the number it is divided by 4, same number has to be divided by 2. So in the sense, no need to divide it by 2 again. In the sense, we have to go with the remainder concept. Directly we have to go with the remainder. What is the remainder? We are having 1. 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. If numerator is less than denominator, so the number is not divided. Whatever the numerator we are having, that will be the remainder. What is the numerator we are having? 1 is the numerator. So remainder will be equal to 1. Here number divided by 5, remainder we are getting 3. Again divided by 5 in the sense, again no need to divide. So remainder will be equal to 3. We need to take the remainder square. Remainder square will be equal to 3 square. In the same way, 3 square divided by 5. 3 square will be equal to 9. 9 by 5 equal to remainder is 4. In a division sum, a divisor is 10 times the quotient and 5 times the remainder. And the remainder is, if the remainder is 46, then find the dividend. So formula will be equal to dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in a division sum, divisor is divisor is 10 times the quotient and 5 times the remainder. What is the remainder we are having? The remainder will be equal to, is given remainder equal to 46. 10q equal to 5 times the 46 equal to 230. 10q equal to 230 where q equal to 23. So divisor equal to 230, quotient equal to 23, then the formula equal to dividend equal to, we need to find out. Divisor is 230, quotient equal to 23, remainder equal to 46. 23 into 23 will be equal to 5290 plus 46 equal to, so if I add all the values, 5336 will be the answer. A number divided by 56 gives remainder 29. If the same number divided by 8, then the remainder will be. Just now we discussed, if the number divided by 56, the remainder will be 29, and the same number divided by 8, then the remainder is. Just look at here. So number is divided by 56, number is divided by 8. So if I write 56, what are the prime factorization for 56 is nothing but 56 can be written as 8 into 7. It's nothing but whatever the number we are divided by 56. So no need to divide again 8. Why? Because 8 is a factor of 56. Directly we need to go with the remainder. So directly we need to divide 29 divided by 8. 29 divided by 8, remainder will be equal to 5. X divides 228, leaving remainder 18. The biggest two-digit value of X is. So X divided by 228 leaves remainder of 18. So that will be equal to X equal to 228 plus 18, 246. Biggest value of X that should be divided. So 246 divided by 21. So 21 is not divided. Okay. 35. 1 second. This is not the correct way. Remainder is 18. In the sense we need to subtract. 228 minus extra value, right? 210. 210 divided by 21. 210 divided by 21. It is exactly divides. We are getting remainder is 0. 35. 35 into 6 is also 210. In 70 table also we are getting 70 into 3, 210. In 30 table also we are getting, but we need to find out largest value. Largest value will be equal to 70.